Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you are fine and welcome back to our classes. Hope you have enjoyed your winter vacations. And as you know students that before vacations we were reading our lesson number 12, The Weeping Princess 1, page number 129, and we had completed our reading and even we had written the words meaning of our lesson. My dears, today we are going to do the question answers of our this lesson. Before doing that, proceeding towards the comprehension, I will give you little you can say the flashback of our lesson, what we read about in Weeping Princess 1. You remember that this was a story about a boy whose name was Asim, and he had an Uncle Mike, who was the family friend of his parents, and he visited his house many times, frequently, and he gave Asim an album of stamps. And in that album there was a stamp which was rare and old, and it was having a tiny drop under the eye of that picture of a princess, and that is why it was famous for Weeping Princess. So we have read so far this much in this story. Let's do the question answers of our this lesson. The first question is, what sort of noise does thunder make? You remember that when Asim had a plan with his friend to play football, so there was a heavy rain during those days and it was a thunderstorm as well. So the answer is, thunder makes a loud crashing noise and a deep rumbling noise. Got it? Rumbling means low or heavy continuous noise. Question number 2 is, what was Uncle Mike's present to Asim? What I told you just now, it was, what was that? It was the collection of stamp album. So Uncle Mike gave Asim his stamp album. Question number 3 is, where were Uncle Mike's own children? Uncle Mike's own children had all grown up and gone abroad. Question number 4 is, what was wrong with every 21st stamp on a sheet of 100? On every 21 stamp on a sheet of 100, there was a tiny colored mark under the prince's eye that looked like a tear. That is why it was famous for the name of Weeping Princess. You remember that? Students, it was all about the question answers. On page number 133, there is an exercise about match the following abbreviations and their meanings. There are two columns, A and B. As I have written numbers 1, 2 from 8 in A column, so we are going to match them according to numbers. Don't draw lines, because drawing the lines can make you confused. So IB is the abbreviation of pounds, mean weight. DEC is abbreviation of December. F is abbreviation of Fahrenheit. H is abbreviation of hour. MPH is an abbreviation of miles per hour, and NE is abbreviation of northeast. MA is abbreviation of Masters of Arts, and BCE is abbreviation of before Christian era. Many of the abbreviations you are already familiar and you are using them as well. Students, in next question, they said there are many adjectives in the passage. Find 10 adjectives and match them with the following. Students, first of all, let's recall what is adjective. What is adjective? We have discussed it many times that adjectives are the words which tells us about the quality of noun, which add value in the quality of noun. For example, they have said that we are going to find the adjectives from the passage, mean from the story or our lesson. So, the first blank is a bright day. You remember? They mentioned about the day that it was bright. B is a loud noise. C is an old Austin. D is large packet. E is tall Englishman. F is weeping princess. G is rare stamps. H is stamp album. I is delicious puris. And last is metal box. Do you remember that all of these adjectives are the part of your story? Did you see? And did you notice one thing? That with the words where we have attached these adjectives right now, they are all nouns. Day, Austin, Englishman, stamps, puris, noise, princess, packet, album and box, they are all nouns. And adjectives are doing what? They are adding value in these nouns. Got it? So, we were bound to write the adjectives from the passage. Otherwise, we can write here, instead of bright day, it can be a gloomy day. It can be a tiring day, isn't it? Similarly, a loud noise can be low noise or shrieking noise. So there can be many adding values in the premises of adjectives, but we were bound to write adjectives from the story. Students, this is all about today's class. With the last exercise of this lesson, because we will do some sort of worksheet as well. We will meet tomorrow. Okay, till then stay blessed and goodbye.